Hello, today I want to introduce you to Atea Systems, a long-time developer for Cisco's collaboration products, and introduce you to WCCD, our dashboards for Webex Contact Center. WCCD allows you to build beautiful dashboards for your contact center. Each dashboard is made up of a series of widgets. You choose the widgets depending on what information you want to show on that dashboard. Some of these widgets are summary information for all of the queues associated with that dashboard. Some widgets are detailed queue information. Some show detailed agent information. There's also widgets for messaging and for daily graphs. You can build as many dashboards as you wish for your contact center, depending on who needs them and where they need to be shown. This one shows detailed queue information and detailed agent information. But you can easily put together dashboards which show just summarized queue information, so all of the queues associated with a dashboard are summarized for management viewing. This dashboard shows digital queue information from email and chat queues and a different view of detailed agent information. So now let's quickly look at how you create dashboards. Once you log into the system, you're shown the dashboards that you already have. You can clone them, delete them, or add new ones. You can also create queue groups, which allow you to group together sets of queues into a single line item on a dashboard. Here we've grouped together sales and support. Also here, you can request your Webex API token. This allows us to connect the dashboard to your Webex Contact Center. So let's add a new dashboard. Firstly, once you've created the dashboard, you have to add the queues to it. Here we're going to add a queue group and a queue. Now we can name our dashboard and save it. Now we have a new dashboard and we have the queues associated with it. We can start to edit it and add the widgets. Some of the widgets are summary data for all of the queues associated with that wallboard, like total calls handled, average wait time, greatest service, and so on. Some of the widgets are detailed information like the agent grid, the agent table, and the queue information. Some of the widgets are graphs for today, or showing digital queues like emails and chats, or if you want a scrolling message. You get to choose which digits are necessary for that particular dashboard. Here we're adding a scrolling message, not a very well typed one as it turns out. Also here we can add a logo for your company or group, just from a URL from a website. Also here you can adjust the way the thresholds are displayed in the colors for calls waiting, longest waiting, greater service. So you can set the thresholds and the colors so they can be highlighted on your wallboard. When you've selected widgets for queues, whether they be voice, email or chat, you can also select the specific data you want to show for each of those queues within that table. You can also change the order in which the queues are shown by sort. You can change the sort order of the agents as well, selecting wait times or states. There's also a lot of agent detail available. You have the option of turning that off and on, whether it be calls handled, the agent extension, the team names, the queue names on talking, and the queue names on wrap up. If you want to hide specific agents that are in a particular not ready reason code, i.e. they're logged out, then you can enter those not ready reason codes in here and exclude them from the wallboard. You can also associate layout editors or supervisors with a particular dashboard and the associated queues. This allows you to limit the views of those team members to just the queues they're associated with. Now that we've selected all the widgets and how we want them laid out, we can save the layout and actually look at our dashboard. There are two ways to view the dashboard, one as a logged in member and one as a public link which can be shown from anywhere. Supervisors can also regenerate the public link for security reasons. Now that we've selected the widgets we need for this particular dashboard, we can now work on the layout. Widgets can be repositioned and resized to suit the number of widgets, the number of queues, and the number of agents that we need to show on this particular dashboard. Once they're in position, we can adjust the fonts to make sure that the widget space is maximized. Now we have a beautiful wallboard ready for action. You can save the layout as a default by using the button at the bottom right hand side of the wallboard, or you can restore from that default if you've adjusted the wallboard and you don't like the way it looks. Now we'll look at the public view of the wallboard and we can see it's just as we saved it. So that's a quick overview of WCCD for Cisco's Webex Contact Center. I hope we've shown you how to build beautiful wallboards to show real-time agent and queue information, management summaries, and mixed digital and voice queue information on a single wallboard. Thank you for your time. If you'd like a trial of WCCD, please register here. If you'd like more information on WCCD or any of Atea's systems software for Cisco's unified collaboration platforms, please go to our website. Have a great day.